Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about the 1080p hidden camera watch with IR. This is a hidden body worn camera that is disguised to look like a normal everyday watch. It records both video and audio to internal memory. The video records in full HD 1080p video, and it is even time and date stamped as well. This particular watch also features IR night vision, which allows the camera to see in complete darkness. Now, to keep suspicion at bay, the watch actually functions as well. Starting and stopping recordings is actually very easy. Take a look at this instructional and quality video. Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration for the 1080p IR watch. Now we're going to do a couple of tests in the store as well as outside, but in order to do those tests for you guys, we're going to have to start a recording. Let me actually show you how to do that. Now I'm going to do something a little special with this one. Because of the way that the LED is situated underneath the watch, I'm going to hold it at an angle so you can see it. Now to start a recording, there's a button at the position 2, and when you press and hold it, you're going to see a little blue light that comes on underneath the position 12 there. You see that? Now holding it just puts it into like a standby mode. So to trigger the recording, you actually have to go back up here and just tap that button, and it's going to flash just like you're seeing there. And once it stops flashing, it started the recording. Now, if you recall, this watch also has infrared built right into it. And to activate that, you actually have to go up here and push the button 12 up here. And when you hold that down, you're going to see that same light come on up there and flash. And once it stops flashing, the IRs are on.
Okay, so now all the video and audio you're hearing currently is actually being done by the watch itself. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio and video quality of our recorders. This is done in a normal speaking volume.
Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to take the 1080p IR watch outside. This is the 1080p IR watch outside. Keep in mind that the wind can affect audio quality. Alright, so this is daytime footage. And then in a moment I'm going to turn off the lights and then turn on the night vision so you can see what that looks like. Okay, so this is our back room. You can tell it's very, very dark back here. Only light that's being emitted is from the actual monitors. And then let me go ahead and turn the IR on for you guys. Okay. And then I'll grab a product so you can see what it looks like.
Now when it comes to recharge the battery or view the recordings you made, simply use the provided cable to plug the watch directly into your PC. All of the videos are stored onto an internal memory within the watch. Part of what makes SpyCentre truly the Spy Gear Superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.